Aquama is all about innovation in cleaning and disinfection. Our approach is simple, eco-friendly, cost-effective and efficient, just like our concept. Water is separated into hydrogen and oxygen. It's called hydrolysis and it's entirely natural. Aquama Indigo is detergent, disinfectant, antiviral and completely biodegradable. Plus, it works on every water-resistant surface. We bring together efficiency and durability. The eco-friendly with the budget-friendly. Our patented process aims for a better future with tomorrow's customers in mind. We're committed to creating ecological solutions, and we have a product to suit every environment. Your home, office, and even the airport. We see the world as it could be, and our mission is to make that a reality. Aquama, a present to the future.